Damn, we need a concealer from Yummy. DANESSA, you about to come up with a concealer next? What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Alyssa. Today we are going to get into a foundation review, a new foundation, a Black-owned foundation, and I'm very excited to try it. So if you are interested in seeing this new foundation, which you probably see by the title, what it is the DANESSA MYRICKS Yummy Skin. Come on. Then keep on watching. Thank you for joining. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let's get popping. So I did my skin prep, and so I have the DANESSA MYRICKS Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. Okay, so it is kind of like it says a skin-loving skincare hybrid foundation with medium buildable coverage, formulated with ingredients known to provide antioxidant boosts, balance hydration, and moisture. So I got it in the shade 14W. I'm not sure if this is my shade. I hope this is my shade. We will see today together. So this is refillable, and this is the packaging. This is cute. Wait a minute now. Oh, it twists. It twists off. So it has like a little squeezy. Okay. So let's read a little bit more about this foundation. The reason why I got it is because DANESSA MYRICKS, she really does a great job with skin, at least from what I see on her page. The skin is always so radiant, so beautiful, and that's just how I aspire to look. So I'm like, let me try out one of her skin products. I have her powder. I have this, what is this one called? The Duet. This is a nice product. So I have a few things from her, but not complexion. It says that, like we said, it's light coverage. So for light coverage, squeeze a pea-sized amount and apply in even layers with fingers, brush, or sponge. So we can use any tool. Medium to pea-size if we want medium coverage. And it says start from the center of the face and blend outwards. Layer over the Yummy Skin Glow Serum, which is sold separately. I did not pick that up. Let's just try it out. Oh, wait. I'm gonna do my primer because we live for the Hydro Grip over here. I did already do my skincare. I just recently seen that Milk has a Hydro Eye base. I'm like, uh-oh, I might have to try that. I'm just gonna take some, we gonna see. It look like it's my shade. Should I do a brush? I'm gonna try it with a brush first. This is the Alyssa Beauty Pinnacle Foundation Brush. And, oh, this is my shade. That's great. Y'all saw that little bit that I applied, and I'm gonna work it in. One thing I've learned or started to do lately is to really work the foundation in. Okay, first of all, I'm very excited because this is like really my shade. You know, like, y'all know. I be having to mix and it does not work out and it just be like blah. But this looks really good. And that little bit that I just used. Now I do think you will need more than a pea-size for your full face. They really boosted with that. But maybe if you do it differently, probably with your fingers, you can probably use a little bit. But I don't really think the brush really sucked up too much. However, that looks good. Okay. Because yeah, I'm going outside. And I did not want to be looking crazy. Oh, I should try it with the sponge, huh? I'm gonna do a sponge right here on this side. That is pretty. Ooh, am I liking it more with the sponge? Yeah, I've been living for the light, radiant, skin-like finish. That's why I've been loving the Charlotte Tilbury. Where is it? Y'all seen in my previous video. If you did not check that out, check it out. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless. What the hell is the name of it, y'all? The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Hollywood Flawless Filter. It gives kind of like that really dewy prep to the skin. Ooh, but with this, I probably don't even need that. Okay, I like the sponge. I think it's doing a little something with the sponge mixed with the primer. I'm gonna go back in with the brush. Now, I know she just came out like today or really recently with the blurring powder from the Yummy Skin collection. I do not have my hands on that just yet. I really was trying to see people play with it and understand like what is it doing? Is it like what is it, you know? It does seem like very hybrid-y and like innovative. Hybrid-y is not a word, but y'all know what I mean. Very hybrid and innovative. So I think this whole line is like about innovation. Y'all look at the skin. This looks really good. I'm really happy about this because I was not sure. Because it's only like 26 shades. It's not a lot of shades. So, I mean, that's a good amount. But like, if it ain't usually like 40 or 50, I usually don't find the shade, you know? So, I went out on a whim and got this. This is one of my Sephora haul items from the sale that just recently passed, the spring sale. So I'm glad I got this. Now, of course, we're gonna have to wear it for the night and see how it stays on the skin. But first impression, this looked really good. What y'all think? Please comment down below and let me know. I feel like this is beautiful. I feel like it's just putting like a filter on my skin and really just perfecting it. Ooh, can we get into it? Damn, we need a concealer from Yummy. DANESSA, you about to come up with a concealer next? Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm about to be obsessed. Okay, I hope it doesn't oxidize. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face and I'm gonna come back with my final look, and then we're gonna talk about how it held up with the other products, etc., etc. So stay tuned. Woo! This right here is bomb. All right, you guys, so this is the final makeup look with the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation, you guys, and this looks really good. Okay, I'm about to step out and see how it performs. Ooh, I think the foundation looks really, really good. During the rest of my application of all of my products, my smile lines did not crease. It is still not creased. It's set nice in place and it looks really, really smooth and like really good. I'm like, you know, excited over here about this. And I'm about to step out, like I said, and wear it for some hours, be out, be eating, and all of that. So I will let you guys know how it holds up and what it looks like. I'll try to do check-ins or see how that works. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you are planning on picking up this foundation, if you already have, and your thoughts on it, because girl, she's giving. Like, I'm very surprised. Why am I so surprised? DANESSA always gives. Oh yeah, I could have used this. I have her contour. But what I used today actually was by Lys Beauty or LYS Beauty, and I like it. I love it actually. The color is perfect. Not too warm, not too contoury. But anyway, okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna check in with y'all. Peace. Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here and jump on here to show you guys how my makeup looked after about 6 hours of wear. It is 1 a.m. 1:01 now on the dot. Oh, and it's May 1st and rent is due, girl. But this is how my skin looks. I did not touch up not one time. The only thing I touched up was my lip, and I think that the foundation still looks really good. It looks really, really good. I'm so happy that I have this foundation. But if you are my foundation twin, 14W is our shade. It's giving what needs to be gave, and it looks really good. Like, I can sit here and touch up if I wanted to, but if I just tap my forehead with my sponge and just touch up a bit, like, it looks like really good. So the verdict is out. If you are in the market for a new foundation, want something light, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin or anything, nice and like compact and packable, twist off and easy to use. We used it today with the brush and the sponge. They look really good with both. Definitely check it out. You guys, this foundation is a hit. This is my face after being out, talking, drinking, in the air, pollution, girl, all everywhere. And it still looks really, really good. No touch up, no nothing. It's given. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Share with your cousin, girl. Share with whoever. And I will see you on my next video. Peace.